morning. It is after the permafrost and the Texas snowstorm. I am at Spring Lake Park. It is about 8:20 in the morning, and water level's up quite a bit, as you can imagine with the snow melting. Good morning, ducks. And I've got a devil bug somewhere. We got a devil bug and then RS2. Throwing a dropper rig this morning. Just kinda want to see what's going on. And I'll get back to you when we get over to the other side. We're back. Alright. Give you a better idea of what's going on now, since we're not walking. RS2. Demon bug. Doing a dropper rig today. I don't know. Sorry, my reel is really loud. It's very old. It's an old cork drag reel. I think that RS2 might be floating. I guess we'll see. It's a absolutely gorgeous day, and I'm glad to be back out here. Glad to be back out here putting tailing loops in my line. On the plus side, the devil bug floats real good. Yeah. That guy is an Army vet. He comes out here and he walks every morning. Yeah, fly fishing's not popular in Texas. kidding me. I just saw my bug move. That's a big trout. Hold up. We on the reel too. Hold up. That's a big trout. Oh my goodness, he just came off. Well, so I'm catching them on right now. That might have been the biggest, that would have been my biggest trout I ever caught, I think. Casting off to the side instead of over my head, which is fine, but that's because I've been Belgian casting streamers, so it's side, drift, over, so side, and then the drift is when you come back up and then lay your line back down, but on these flies, they're a lot lighter than the streamers I'm throwing, and I shouldn't be trying to Belgian cast them. I think overhead and probably roll cast are the way to go on these, to be honest. I don't know. I'm gonna actually parallel the bank and see. Oh, casting it in the wind. Move down a little bit. Setting an alarm on my phone so I don't miss my time to go pick up my kiddo. Hoping to get one trout here. If not, I think I'm gonna go try for some bluegills. Not here, but at a different place. I brought my streamers and my sink tip line too, so I could go bass fish, but I really wanted to target trout today. Yeah, I can't figure them out today. Usually they're not, usually it's not this difficult, to be honest, at least not here. Usually it's just kind of throw whatever. And with enough patience, you'll catch something. Today was not the case with that methodology. The emergers, not emergers, but the midges, were the only thing I got anything on. And then I changed off of them, which might not have been the move. I've got a whole bunch though, so maybe I should go back to some. I'd keep him, yeah.
Y'all saw him like rainbow?
Yeah, that's what this one is. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, you see right there in the middle.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, this is a rainbow trout.
He's about halfway.
Well, some of them get. And we're back. Talking to that fella that came over here. That was the same fella from before. I was talking about fly fishing. He just told me about he gave me 3 good spots to fish.